We can't fuck. This is fucking everything up. Door being open. It can't film it that way. You gotta film this way. Yep.
I got so many rings on.
What episode are we on?
7. This is getting confusing for us.
I know. Okay, so we're on 6, really. Right? No, what? We're on 6. And we're really on 5.
Are you recording still?
Yeah, I mean,
good. So let me see. Episode 6, dude.
So we're filming episode 7, which really is episode 6.
Yeah.
Okay. My vlog children! What's up? What are we doing today?
I wish there was room for my car, but unfortunately there's
Ooh, nope. Cool cars only. Cool cars only. Maybe one day.
hurts my feelings.
We got some stuff to do.
We got some stuff to do.
But Josh needs to get his own fucking camera so I can explain my fucking shit to do. Okay. I'm working on this. He's not pulling me away from my project again, like always.
Dude, you literally never help me.
Always.
Oh, we gotta tell that girl why you went to Florida.
Jenna, I went to Florida to. On another note, I've officially decided. You haven't even heard this yet. Oh, and you have to do it too. I forgot to tell you, but you have to do it too. I'm not shaving till this is driving.
I can't do that.
You have to.
I can't do that.
No, but for yours. This one for mine.
Mine's already driving, so I'm shaving.
Well, no. So yours is done.
Yeah.
Mine's driving, yours is done.
Okay, how about mustache? Mustache. I can't grow.
No, you gotta do the whole thing. I know, you look nasty as
It's
fuck.
fucking bad.
It's fucking disgusting. But no, you have to, because look at me, I already got a big old head start.
Yeah, you got a nice full beard.
I don't know, dude, it's actually pubes. I just glue it onto my face every morning. Not even my own pubes. Yep. So I need to have this done by the end of this month. So I really only got a month that I have to fight.
Me too, on my part.
So we're supposed to get the glass put in this thing, front and rear, today. But somebody set up the glass guy to come do it, and they haven't shown up. So we really are wondering, did this person set it up?
I just got off the phone with them, and you heard them say why there was a delay.
I mean, that could have been fake.
I don't fake anything.
Your lady fakes orgasms.
And then whose fault is it that your stuff didn't get done?
I know, my shit didn't get done
Because of
because
you.
Josh set up a guy to come do my glass and put my glass in. Look at. Thanks, Josh. The part that's really frustrating though is that normally me and Wes are the ones just talking shit and Josh is working, but even Wes is working right now. What does the world come to when I'm the only one not doing shit? I was supposed to get my brake lines in today. That didn't happen. I was supposed to get my glass in today. That didn't happen. What else was I supposed to do today? Oh, I was supposed to do my trans cooler lines. That didn't happen. Fucking shit. I didn't get anything done that I wanted to get done.
Welcome to another day.
Welcome
to
to another shitty episode of fucking Cars and Cuss Words.
Yeah.
I guess we'll cut to a word from our sponsors.
Howdy, neighbors. Thanks for joining me again for another episode of Tech Time with Wes. So I've been having some mechanical issues with my van lately. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the very long, hard ride of the repairing process. So when you hear a ticking noise like that, that's in sync with the engine RPM, It's a good rule of thumb to go ahead and change your brakes, just to rule that out. Now, if any of the viewers today are mechanics, I suggest going ahead and getting yourself a good set of gloves. It'll make the customer think you're actually professional. So, one of the rare factory options for a 2006 GMC Savannah is 18 piston front Brembo brakes. We're gonna have a lot of work to do to get these things all set up. Now that we got one of the 18 pistons out of this caliper, it's evident where the ticking noise was coming from. So here we have disc brake quiet. This is a great lubricant to use on all the contact points of your brake setup to keep the noise down, to keep everything moving freely. It's also basically Loctite, so make sure you put a lot of this on the threads of your bolts and also on your lugs as well. So now that I got Loctite on all my lugs, it's time to torque them down. Now you're going to want to set your torque wrench to about 13,000 Newton meters and go until it just clicks and moves a little. Now with this new brake pads and rotors installed, this thing won't be ticking anymore. What the fuck? Turn the camera on. Max. Just turn it on. Turn it on.
All is right with the world again, and me and Wes are doing nothing. Watching Josh
Do nothing.
do nothing.
That's messed up.
Joshua,
I'm not talking to you.
did you or did you not agree with the Keystone pipeline? Damn, Josh. Oh, yeah. Fuck me. Oh, yeah. Fuck.
Broke that one.
Josh broke my pussy. Banged it so hard. Josh's like, God damn it, these fucking holes are too tight. I'm banging it. Fuck me, Josh, yeah. Ow. Banged me hard. Josh, hit my clit with your fist. Punch my clit, Josh.
I hate you guys.
Fucking trying, bitch. Shut up.
I hate you guys.
I can't tell which part's the fucking clit.
I hate these side skirts.
It's gonna be alright, dude. It'll be fine, dude. Come on. It's gonna be good, dude. You feel better?
Nope.
Josh isn't really gay, he's just bi-curious. Oh, Josh Avery, he's a super nice guy. Unless you're also a nice guy too, then I'll punch you right in the eye. And then I'll make you bend over and put his wiener near your taint. And you say, hey, I got a fever. And then he'll say, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were sick. Now I'm gonna go whack off to my on a stick.